Maritime Made is brought to you by Invest Nova Scotia. Experience and expertise strengthening your business.
Liverpool, Nova Scotia has been home to high-quality adventure and rescue pack system maker Parlee Manufacturing Company Ltd. since 1985. It's been outfitting emergency health services heroes and other professional personnel with smart and long-lasting products, helping them carry whatever they need into any situation.
The main thing that we like to see in the products that we make is we want to produce a quality product. We're not so concerned about, humongous volumes. We want to put a product out there that has our name on it, that serves a purpose, and that lasts a long time. So one of the sort of the joys that we have is filling needs. So if there's a certain group that needs a specific product, then we can make our product fit that need, as opposed to somebody with needs having to change their needs to fit in an existing product.
Today, we're making 6 of their small Parlee VIP system packs. The process starts with rolling out, measuring, and cutting Cordura nylon fabric, the exterior of these bags. A pattern is used to trace out 12 pieces for each bag. Then they're cut out using a very sharp electric cloth cutter. Next, their logo is marked out using a grid matching the embroidery machine. The fabric is squeezed and stretched into the hoops. The machine is programmed, the line registration is checked, and then it's automatic. Any excess threads get trimmed. Next, a polypropylene nylon webbing production cutter is used to make the bag's buckles. Hook and loop fabric, commonly known as Velcro, is cut out with a rotary cutter. The loop piece will be sewn onto various parts of the bag, allowing the user to Velcro various items to the bag itself. Loop material sewn on the front of the bag will help secure a smaller secondary bag. Loop material is also sewn to the front of the secondary bag and will hold an ID badge as well as reflective tape. This is also cut to the same length as the hook and loop material and will be attached to the bag once it's finished. More Velcro is added to the back of the bag for the skid plate, which goes on the back and bottom, as well as a bit on the front where it also attaches. Zippers are sewn on the outside of the bag, on its back and bottom. These are chained to sew on all 6 bags simultaneously. After they're attached, they're top-stitched. Tailor shears separate them. A number 5 zipper pull attaches their sides. A strip of 10G seatbelt restraint webbing is folded into 3 handles and box-stitched. The top handle is for aircraft use, and the 2 sides are to attach to stretchers. This gets attached to another piece of seatbelt strap going around the bag's perimeter. They're stitched multiple times, increasing strength. A number 10 zipper goes around the outside panel of the main bag first. The same process happens for the front pocket, and it's attached side, top, side. The webbing and handles are sewn onto the main bag's side, top, and side. Webbing is attached to the inside too. A layer of loop is added to the webbing.
The biggest segment of our business now is in first response. So we do a lot of work with our provincial ambulance services and life flight. So a lot of the bags that are on our provincial ambulances now are Parlee bags. So that's a big part of it. And again, the part I like about that is usually we get together, see what their needs are, and sort of fix any problem that they have on protecting their equipment or what they have to carry and where it has to fit in an ambulance. So all of those things are taken into account when we develop a product. I think one of our bigger successes is in the first response market with some of the products we're developing, like our new product line, and it's being picked up across the country. So other provinces are seeing the benefits of our product that is customizable by the end user. So we're very, very happy, very proud of that.
The Veltex liner for the inside panel is measured and cut out. This is Velcro sensitive, so inner components can stick on. a liner is attached to the belt and handles. The internal and external layers are sewn together with zippers facing out. Closed-cell foam liner is measured, cut, and inserted for protection. The exterior is sewn shut. The center of the foam is stitched down, ensuring it won't move. The liner for the top zipper is cut from 400 denier nylon liner. This goes on the sides, top, and shoulder strap. These zipper pieces are attached the same way, and zipper pulls are selected. They're tested to ensure teeth line up and get trimmed. The bottom liner is sewn on. Then, the ends just sewn and the rimmed webbing are bound. Any excess webbing is cut. The sternum strap is attached to the shoulder strap. Next, webbing is sewn on in 5 different places. Veltex is tacked to the front of the bag. Next, the female part of a buckle is sewn on. Then the back panel's 2 layers are attached. 2 inches of loop are added to the top of the back for extra support for the skid plate. Then straps are tacked to the bag's back. The molded rubber handle spot is marked, then sewn on. Next, the shoulder strap's adjustment anchors are tacked on the edges of the back of the bag. Now it's time for the buckle's male end to be inserted onto this webbing and hemmed on. The ends of the larger hip belt are threaded onto 2 pieces of webbing. This is aligned with the anchors and sewn. Side panel edges are sewn together and the front is attached. Nylon is trimmed to ensure the cordura is what is sewn. Next, these seams are bound and Parlee's tag is added. Closed-cell foam is rolled out, measured, and cut with shears to make pieces for the front, back, and bottom of the bags. Their edges get rounded to match the bag's corners. Zippers provide access to insert this foam. Then the 14 Reflexite pieces are attached, and the skid plate is secured. The front pocket is added with buckles, and the badge holder is attached. The finishing touches are done, and this bag is now ready to help someone save lives.